Question 1. Equation of a curve from dy by dx, Pure Mathematics 1, May-June 2023. The gradient of a curve is dy by dx equals 4 over x minus 3 cubed, 4x greater than 3. The curve passes through the point 4, 5. Find the equation of the curve. Now let's work through the solution step by step. Part A. Integrate to recover y. Rewrite the gradient in power form. Integrate both sides with respect to x. Apply the power rule, add 1 to the power, then divide. Simplify and add the constant of integration. Raise the power from -3 to -2, then divide by -2. That's the power rule. Now substitute the given point to find c. Part B. Use the point 4, 5 to find c. Substitute x equals 4 and y equals 5. Solve for c. Write the equation of the curve. So the equation of the curve is y equals 7 minus 2 over x minus 3 squared, 4x greater than 3. And that completes question 1.